listening to me. Look, I know, man. It's Dave, okay? I'm telling you, it's Dave. Yeah. No, he's the one making us go to Ohio to record. I have no control over that, okay? No, look, man. Let me tell you something about Dave, okay? No, you listen. No, seriously, like, you need to listen to me, okay? You need to listen to me. I'm telling you. Okay, now you're finally seeing it the way I want it, right? Okay, so you're gonna. No, you're still missing you're still missing the point, okay? Look, board of the plane, all right? Yes, yep, exactly, yep, but you're like, no, listen, I am telling you, that's Dave, okay? You need to hear what I'm saying, all right? Look, board the plane, okay? Look, that's how it's gonna be, all right? Okay? Look, okay? Look. Look, maybe I should just call you later, okay? You don't seem to be understanding what I'm saying right now, all right? Okay? What do you say to that, huh? Look, can you hear me? Hey, you there? You still there? Huh? Look. Oh, okay. No, look. Listen to me. Look, are you listening to me? No. Put down whatever it is you're doing and listen to me, okay? I'm telling you. It's nobody's fault but Dave, okay? Dave's not involved in this, all right? We don't like Dave, all right? I know, man, okay? I know, man. I know, okay? Look, I know, all right? Look, I know that, all right? I know, okay? Look, I'm well aware of that, all right? I know. Huh? Oh, hold on, let me adjust my volume. Hold on a second. Man.